In the heart of Rwanda, where innovation meets resilience, a new light is rising. Its name is Umucyo. Umucyo means light in Kinyarwanda, and this project is exactly that. A beacon of dignity, independence, and cultural pride for people with visual impairments. At its core is the Umucyo stick, a smart mobility device that goes beyond function. It's solar-powered, sensor-enhanced, and designed with modular intelligence. But more importantly, it's built with empathy. Using ultrasonic sensors, the Umucyo stick detects obstacles in real time, alerting users through sound or vibration. A built-in LCD displays distance and status, while push buttons allow users to switch modes, request feedback, or activate emergency alerts. But this isn't just tech, it's storytelling. The casing carries umugongo motifs, symbols of strength and heritage. The voice interface speaks in Kinyarwanda, Igbo, and German, making every interaction feel personal and inclusive. This project was born from youth-led innovation, driven by a vision to make assistive technology not just accessible, but beautiful, culturally grounded, and emotionally intelligent. Whether navigating a busy street in Kigali or walking through a quiet village path, the Umucyo stick says, "You are seen. You are strong. You belong." We're not just building a device, we're building a movement that honors tradition, embraces technology, and lights the way for a more inclusive future. This is Umucyo, and together, we walk forward with purpose, with pride, and with light.